European heat wave emergency. Western Europe faces record temperatures. France, 40.9 degrees Celsius. UK, 36.1 degrees Celsius. Dozens of deaths reported. Schools and transport systems disrupted. Italy has placed 16 cities under its highest heat alert. Governments warn of worsening conditions throughout the weekend. Again, people, this is ramping up. And if you read the book of Revelation, you will see that mankind will be scorched by the sun. This is the trailer for what's coming. It is going to get worse and worse in the days ahead. This is the earth groaning for the times that we're living in. Keep looking up. Shalom.